Welcome to Lesson Launchpad. This is the Present screen. Each class has its own version of this screen that can be accessed by clicking the Present button in the left sidebar. You'll see this screen is broken up into two sections currently: the header section at the top and the content boxes section on the bottom. The header section can include a scrolling marquee, which is great for announcements and objectives, a clock that can be set to various options, and a class info section. You can choose which elements you want to include in your header, if any, when you create a class. The bottom section is where you can add content boxes. These are boxes that contain the content that you want to use during class. Each content box has a corresponding tab in the bottom navigation. If you click on this tab, you'll see several available options. You can rename the tab to better match the content this box contains. Hide a box if you don't currently need it on your screen, or move the tabs to change the order of the boxes on the screen. You can add content boxes by clicking the Add Content Box button. Here, you can see all of the various box types that can be used in Lesson Launchpad, with quite a few more planned for the near future. On the left side panel, you'll see several ways to add boxes. The default option is to add a single box. The second option allows you to add multiple content boxes at a time. The third option lets you add a box stack, which gives you multiple content boxes stacked vertically. Here, we'll add a text editor box to our screen. You'll see the text editor box has been added to the right side of the screen. Each box has a drop-down button in the top right that lets you choose different options for editing that box. The box stack has its options button on its left, while the individual boxes that make up the box stack have their normal options buttons on the right. An important concept in Lesson Launchpad are active dates. Active dates allow you to schedule content for future dates and go back to see what you did on previous dates. Every time you add a content box in Lesson Launchpad, it's assigned the current date in the Active Dates picker. Each day, Lesson Launchpad will refresh to the current date, but you can always manually change the active date using the Active Dates picker. To set the active dates for a content box, click the Set Active Dates button from the Options dropdown. You can set the active dates to be a single date, a range of dates, or a day name, like Monday or Wednesday. Be aware, when you do this, you are telling Lesson Launchpad to show that same box on multiple days. Changes to one day will apply to all other days on which that box is active. Next to the Add Content Box button, you'll see the Widgets button. Lesson Launchpad has a variety of widgets that you can use during your class period, some of which can be opened with a hotkey. For example, if we press the number 5 key on our keyboard, you'll see that we automatically get a timer that starts counting down from 5 minutes. The next button in the bottom left is the Resource Launcher button. This is great for things you want to use frequently during class, but you don't want taking up valuable screen real estate. Next is the Content Manager button. The Content Manager allows you to see all of your content at a glance in a simple, intuitive way. All right, next, you can continue exploring the Present screen or head over to the Teacher Hub to start creating your classes.